Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be demonstrating the Power Trim tool. If you do a lot of drawing in Adobe Illustrator, you'll be aware of the Shape Builder tool where you can create complex shapes or complex geometry from a number of simple shapes. And you might be wondering, how can I do the same thing in SolidWorks? Well, the answer is it's quite easy. I'm going to create some additions to this sketch. So I want to put a bump here, and I want to put a rectangle here. In SolidWorks, this is a very simple process. Go over here and click the Trim Entities tool, and then make sure you've got Power Trim selected. Basically what you do is you click your mouse and you start to drag your mouse over all of those entities that you want to join. Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click the tick, click Exit Sketch, and now you have a sketch which you can extrude or extrude cut or whatever you want to do with. If you're interested in learning more sketch tools from SolidWorks, please look out for my upcoming videos.